Okay, we are going to practice on some letters, new letters, and this is lesson 8, writing in Persian. Before I introduce a new letter, let's make a practice on a review of what we learned in lesson 7. We noticed that this is a P. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I should change to English. It's Persian. Okay, it's P. P is connective. P with 3 dots under it. Remember that there's a difference between these two. The first one is P. The second one is B. So P. P. Okay. And example would be like tup. Okay. Tup. T-u-p. Tup. Means ball. Park. 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 Then we have parastar. Park means park. Parastar means nurse. Then we also learned that we have this, which is O initial, and if it is in the medial position, it looks like this without this circle. Of course, this circle, I don't know why we have this circle, but if there is assume that this circle is a letter and it is O on the top, so it's O would be over the letter. Okay, we'll come to the examples later. That's O. Okay, example would be O initial, P, Ra, opera, opera. Okay, K, O, N, S, R, T, concert. Okay, K, O, N, S, R, T, concert. And we had actually D, O, K, T, O, R. D, O, K, T, O, R. Doctor. Doctor means physician. We also learned that this is Vav and pronounced V, like in village, like in visa in English, V, or like very. Okay, so example would be V, E, L, A. Remember that when I write L, it looks like this, but when I attach the A in the printing, it looks like this. La, oh, sorry, it would be this one. Okay, so it's V, la, villa. Villa is a villa. Okay, V-I-L-A, and we have L, E, V, A, N, Livan. Livan means class, and then we have Sh, A, L, V, A, R. Okay, shalvar. Shalvar means pants. Now, today we are going to learn new letters, and that is a he sound. But sometimes this is silent. The cases I'm going to mention today, they are silent one. It can be used at the beginning, so it is initial. It's connective. It can be used in the middle. It can be used in the final position. And you see how they may be different. Let's go to the first one. T, A, R, A, N, E. Tarane. Tarane means song. Okay. R, A, N, An, N, De. Okay. Ranande. Ranande. Ranande means driver. We have se, number 3. Okay, 3. We have sa, ve, Save. Save is the name of the city in Iran. K, a, r, e, kare. K, a, r, e. Sorry, is here. K, Kare. Kare means butter. Okay. We have mive. Mive means fruit. Fruit. Parde. 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 Parde means curtain. Okay, so this sign which comes under it, it makes it a. If it's on the top, would be a. Okay. If it is like this, it would be what? O. Okay. So a, da, re. Now see, non-connective, 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 non-connective. Then this should be written like this. Okay. But here, because the n which precedes the he, it should be connected to this, and it has a shape like this. But if it is by itself, it's more or less like this. Okay. Edare means office. Edare. Another one we had taze. Taze. Taze means actually new or fresh. And pare means torn. Okay. Now, remember that we had this pronounced, the letter was seen, pronounced s. Okay, pronounce it. But if you write it like this, it would be sh. Shin, pronounce sh. Okay, what makes the difference between this one and that one? Well, here there is no dots. No, we don't have any dots. But here we have 3 dots. And that makes the difference between s and sh. Okay? Which are fricative sounds. Let's go to some examples. Sh, a, be. Okay? Shanbe. Sh, a, be. Shanbe. It's Saturday. Okay? A, sh, orash. Non-connective, non-connective. A sign here, a, and then we have sh. Orash is the name for a boy. P, e, d, a, r, p, da, a, sh. Pedarash. P, e, d, a, r, a, sh. Pedarash. Pedarash means his or her father. Sh, e, r, a, z. Shiraz. Sh. Connective. E, connective. R, non-connective. A, non-connective. And Z, Shiraz is a city, a beautiful city in Iran, the south of Iran. We have A, non-connective. Sh, ash. Ash means soup. Soup. What about this one? Sh, a, sham. Sham. I've noticed that some students when they come to my class, they tend to put a hat on the top of this A. Remember that this A does not have any hat because it stands in middle position or in the final position. But at the beginning, it must have an A. Okay, Ash, Sham. The sound is the same. This one and this one are the same, but this one is initial, this one is the medial position. That's why it doesn't have the hat in the medial position. Sham means dinner. Sh, a, b, shab, shab, sh, a, b, shab means night. Sh, e, r, sheer, sheer means milk. Okay, milk. Sh, o, or shotor. Sh, sh, o, t, or shotor. Shotor means camel. Sh, u, shur. Okay, sh, connective. And remember that when it is connective, we don't see that semicircle. It's just connected to the v. Okay, so it becomes a line and then attach the v. But v by itself is what? Oh, sorry, u by itself is non-connective, or vav is non-connective. So it's shur. Shur means salty. We have ش okay ش ک ا ر شکر ش ش ا ک ا ر شکر شکر means sugar ش ای ش شیشه sh connective, e connective, this one is connective, and then it's connected to this one. And because it is connected to the preceding sound, which is connective, so preceding letter which is connective, it should be written like this. Shisha means glass. Okay, we have a sh a b امشب a sh a b امشب means tonight. Okay, D sh a b dishab. Dishab means last night. Dishab. A non-connector. Sh. Okay, connector. P connector. A sign. Z. It is connected to this one, though Z itself is not connected. Ashpaz. Ashpaz. What was ash? Ash means soup. Ashpaz means cook, the one who makes the soup or the food. Ashpaz. We have a sh e machine. Okay, machine means car. B e sh t a r. Okay, b e sh t a r. بیشتر means more. K sh kesh e sh keshmesh. K sh sh keshmesh. Keshmesh. A t a sh آتش. آتش fire. Keshmesh was raising and آتش means fire. و a r. Okay, z e sh ورزش. و a r z e sh ورزش. Since v non-connective, re non-connective, z non-connective, this should be written in the long form by itself, and then you see that semicircle here. Okay, whereas here, because it is connected, then there is, you don't see that circle. No circle here. Okay, no circle here, no circle here, no circle here, because they are connected. Okay, the varzish means exercise and also sport. And then we have r, e, and sh. Rish. Rish means beard. Okay, now let's go back and pronounce them. P, b, p, p. Toop. Park. Parastar. O initial, O middle. Opera. Concert. Doctor. V. Villa. Of course, this one is law by itself. Villa. Villa. Livan. Shalvar. ترانه. راننده. سه. ساوه. کره. میوه. پرده. اداره. تازه. پاره. سین pronounce s. Shin pronounce sh. And this one shanbe, Saturday. آرش. پدرش. شیراز. آش. شام. شب. شیر شتر شور شکر شیشه امشب دیشب آشپز ماشین بیشتر کشمش آتش ورزش ریش. That was the end of okay, let me just teach you another word in a bigger size. Let's go to this one and learn this. P A Y A N پایان. So P connective, A non-connective, Y connective, A non-connective, and this one should be written separately. پایان. پایان means end. That's the end of lesson 8. Have fun.